Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video, we're going to talk about actually six different steps that I took to become profitable. And I actually wrote down a couple of notes here on my phone, so I'm going to be reading, if you guys see me looking down, that's what I'm currently looking at, because I do want to make sure I cover everything very thoroughly for you guys to make sure that you guys understand the concepts and exactly what I'm trying to put out. Now, if you're new to the channel, we actually just hit 2,700 subscribers. Like, I really got to thank every single one of you for the support on the last video. It really means a lot. We actually got to 2,700 subscribers. So if you actually hit that subscribe button, I really appreciate you. If you're new to the channel and you actually want to go ahead and learn some proper trading, you're new to your journey, or you may be already on your journey and you want to get better, thank you for tuning in. This is the right channel for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notification bell. Like that, you can be notified every time I add a post, and then you can go ahead and actually watch these videos and consume the information. Based on what a lot of people are saying, this channel and every single thing that I've been dropping around trading has really helped a lot of people get better at their trading game. So I'm happy that I can help a lot of the community. So if you're liking this video, make sure to leave a like as well. Comment down below, either drop a 1 in the chat if you just fuck with me, or comment something that you want to go ahead and learn, or questions that you may have in your own trading and that you guys want to get better at. I do try to answer to every single one of the comments, even the hateful ones, because why not? But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Obviously, as you guys know, we did actually drop the Discord. The VIP Discord has dropped. We're at over like 23, 24 members right now, so I appreciate every single one of you guys that actually have been paying for this Discord and supporting me and being a part of the community. Really appreciate y'all. Means a lot. So if you guys want to get tapped into my VIP Discord, the link is in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And lastly, if you're looking to obviously trade on a proper broker, Hanko X has just launched. It's a new platform that Hanko Trade just launched. So make sure to check that out if you guys want to go ahead and actually take your trading to the next level and actually trade on a good broker on the Forex side. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive into the video. These are 6 steps that I did take to become profitable here in 2024. So let's dive into it. Now, the number one thing, as cliche as this may sound, is education. Now, education is a key factor and the reason why I personally am profitable. The real thing is, like, are you taking online courses? Are you, following somebody? Is there somebody that is doing better than you and actually showing results that you can stay consistent with? Things of that sort. That's why my VIP Discord is available. And education actually took me to that next level. And my last video was about Doyle and how Doyle took me to that next level and really helped me become a profitable trader. And I found that myself, I've been able to teach exactly what I've learned from Doyle in a more simplistic way, which really simplifies everything and makes you really understand what you're doing when you are trading. Now, the second one is one that's really, really common, and it is actually developing a trading plan, guys. Developing a trading plan and outlining your goals. So now, what does that mean? So that's your risk tolerance, your strategies, what are you going to use? Some people trade supply and demand and liquidity grabs. I personally do sometimes trade liquidity grabs. I'm more prone to trading supply and demand. That's what I'm really better at in terms of when I take setups. So that's just what I stick with. Things of that sort. So developing that trading plan and understanding everything that works and everything that doesn't work. Like that, you can implement the things that do work in your day-to-day trading, and you can take yourself to that next step, right? Now, the next step here, the third step is, it's commonly said, but it's kind of taken lightly sometimes because people don't understand really the effect of being able to practice when you're trading. And what do I mean by that? So when you're trading and you want to really take your trading to that next step, one of the best ways is to actually understand that it's okay to trade on a demo account for a little bit. Some people like to just dive right into a live account, and what does that do to you? That just literally makes you lose more and more money as time goes. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna start losing money. You're gonna get discouraged that you don't have any more money to trade with, and then you're gonna really just probably end up quitting trading because you're gonna say this is not for you. You haven't made any money. You don't have any money to trade, and things of that sort. You don't really care about the skill. You more care about the money. So that's important to actually practice on a demo account first. Get better. Do 6 months, a year, whatever it takes. Because at the end of the day, what you guys gotta try and stop doing is, quitting your job too early, running out and being a full-time trader. Like let things happen in the way that they need to happen. You've probably encountered my video at the point that I am in my journey. That doesn't mean you have to be exactly where I'm at, but you can learn to get to where I'm at in my journey with trading. You know what I mean? So it's these kind of things that will really help you and tune you as a trader to really skill you up, obviously. Now, fourth thing, I mentioned this in literally every single video that I ever dropped, and that is literally focusing on risk management. And what does that mean? So you're never gonna risk more than you can lose, and you can afford to lose, right? Because if you actually put yourself in a position where you're not losing more than you can afford to lose. So whether that's only you making $20, $30 at the beginning, do it. Because sooner or later, you're gonna realize that you gotta start from somewhere. And if you don't have enough money to make $1,000, understand you have enough money to maybe make $20. Money over time stacks up. So what you're able to accomplish with a certain amount of money, you'll be able to accomplish if you just stack your money up and do it with bigger amounts of money. So what's really more important? Is it the money or is it the long-term skill set? Do you want to be able to flip your money right now because you have a need, or you want to be able to go on this vacation or do different things throughout the summer that make you want to flip your account to $1 million when you know damn well it's not going to happen and you're going to fail over and over again because you're not risking what you can afford to lose? So that's super, super, super important. Now, the fifth point, second to last point here, is keeping a trading journal. Now myself, that whole idea of keeping a trading journal, what does that look like? I personally just send my trades in a Discord. So that's where I actually am able to keep a consistent trading journal where I can keep up and go back and look at my trades. And that's why it's there for you guys as well. And that's why, the VIP Discord, I literally reorganized everything to make sure that it's suitable for every single one of you guys, so that you can learn not only where to enter, also where to exit, as well as where to move stops to break even, and all these things as well. So you guys will really take your trading to the next level if you go down that route. But as I said, that's like my public trading journal. I basically open it up to the public, I open it up to you guys to allow you guys to learn from my day-to-day trading, and I do it, and I literally update my journal live for you guys to see. And that's literally one of the best things that any trader could ever do, because this is the raw and honest way of actually trading, not just sitting down and setting a signal and telling you, oh, do this, do that, but telling you the signal, telling you what I'm looking at, and every single thing that in between to really make sure that we have the same results. If I'm at break even, I want y'all to be at break even. If I take a loss, I hope that, I don't want y'all to take a loss, but I would hope that you guys have the same results as me, because you're following every single thing that I'm actually showing you when it comes to your trade. Now, lastly, and the very last point here is very simple, is stay updated and adapt. So the markets are going to consistently change from quarter to quarter. What you have to be able to do as a trader is adapt to different market conditions and know when your strategy is more effective and when it is not. Now, also understand when it's time to scale up your position sizing, as well as when it's time to lower your position sizing, depending on the previous results of these quarters or these times around the year. Especially in a year like this year where it's election year, the markets can get very unpredictable. So it's very good to understand, to really approach your trading at a very safe, way. Perfect. So now, just to recap with you guys, I just want to kind of go over every single one of these points that I just talked about. I know that I really kind of run through everything here, but it's really to get it in your mind for you to understand the way that I actually look at trading as a whole, not just the markets. So just to recap, so first we went over educating yourselves, such things like getting the VIP Discord, getting yourself a mentor, whether that's me or anybody else, it's up to you. You don't necessarily have to join my Discord. Like I said, it's really for people who are really wanting to take themselves to the next level and apply my discipline and get the same results as me and trade. Simple as that. But whether that means you going with your mentor or whoever else that you have, do whatever you need to do, but educate yourself better. Now, second thing was developing a trading plan. That's super important, as you know. Without a trading plan, you're literally free falling in the markets. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're gonna do. It's good to have a plan and a strategy and rules set in place so you can actually protect yourself from losing more in the markets. Now, third was practicing with a demo account. I know it's not fun, it's not the best thing to do, it's not the most popular thing to do, but it is good to do. So make sure to actually try to practice on a demo account. Like that, you'll be able to get yourself up to that next level so that you can actually trade your own life capital. And maybe if you only have $1,000, hey, who knows? Maybe you'll be able to trade $50 consistently over time. And after 6 months, you might be able to flip that $1,000 to $3,000. Who knows? But at least try to get your skill and master your skill on a practice level, on a demo account, whether that means, to do it on a futures demo account, hang trade demo account. Do what you need to do. But practice on a demo account first before you take it to that live stage, because that will save you a lot of money, and that will also keep you motivated, because guess what? You're not going to be spending your money on losses on the charts. You're not going to have to spend your life money on losses. You're literally just going to learn, and you're going to do it again. You're going to get it perfect, and once you have it perfect, you just apply your real money. But you got to really take it serious. So put that. Now, I believe this was like number 4. Number 4 was focus on risk management. Focusing on risk management is huge. As I went over, make sure you don't risk more than you can lose. Keeping a trading journal and staying updated. Obviously, I can't say more. The trading journal, you're gonna be able to go back and see the mistake that you made. I've had times where I've gone back to my trading journal and I'm like, oh, this was the stupidest mistake that I made. And it was the most simplistic mistake ever. And what was it? Me just simply not looking at the 1 hour time frame before I took my trade on the 5 minute to understand the higher time frame bias going against the trade that I'm taking on the 5 minute. And that's literally, I'm like, man, I could have avoided a loss. So literally, these things actually made me understand, and that's why I'm able to even describe these things to you guys, without even having to look at the charts or anything, because I know exactly what I'm looking for on a day-to-day basis. I practice it, I live it, I breathe it. I do everything. Everything I do is trading. I breathe, I live this thing, and I know my trading plan in the back of my head, and I can spit it out instantly because I know exactly what to do and what not to do, where to get out, and even sometimes if that means for me to get out of a trade early and close my profits before we even hit TP, because we're right there. That's how disciplined I want to be, because I don't even care to get all the way through to that TP point, because that TP target is just very subjective, right? It's really based on your entry point that you're going 1-to-1 at. So where you're comfortable at to take profit, take your profit, walk away, call it a day. This week in the Discord, we actually went 1-1 this week, so 1 win, 1 loss. It was literally just a straight break-even week. Not the best overall. I believe everybody was struggling all around. The markets just really weren't that great. So it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it. We still came out, flat out. So we didn't lose anything. We didn't make anything. So there's nothing to really complain about. We're just gonna go into this upcoming week very, very strong, looking to really attack everything and get everything going. So with that said, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys want to continue seeing on the channel. Subscribe, of course, we're at 2,700 subscribers. Hit that post notification bell so you can be notified next time I do post. And with that said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.